Following the replacement of a core network switch, users report being unable to access resources located in a different server subnet. The network environment utilizes three separate VLANs for user traffic, voice, and server traffic. A secondary voice switch is experiencing a high rate of packet drops, yet voice services remain operational. Which of these is the most probable cause of the connectivity issue between the user and server subnets? Option A, faulty physical cabling. Option B, port set to an administratively down status. Option C, improper VLAN configuration. Option D, mismatch in duplex settings. Let's think about this. When you replace network hardware, how do the segments interact? We are looking for the root cause of why communication between the user and server subnets has failed, while keeping in mind the separate, albeit problematic, status of the voice network.
I believe the correct answer is option C, improper VLAN configuration. When replacing a core switch, it is common to forget to reapply specific port assignments or misconfigure the trunk ports that allow traffic to travel between different network segments. Since inter-subnet routing relies heavily on these VLAN settings, an error here would directly cause the connectivity issues described.
Why are the other options incorrect? While the voice switch is showing packet drops, suggesting a potential duplex mismatch or physical layer error, that is localized to the voice segment. Options A and B are less likely because if the port were down or the cable faulty, the users would have no connectivity at all, not just a failure to reach a specific subnet. A pro tip: always verify your trunking configurations and VLAN tagging immediately after any hardware migration.